Filipino family moved in next to me a few weeks ago, and I was telling you how she's brought me food a few times, and she told me to call her tita. Well, the other day, I realized that I hadn't seen her in a few days. So I went outside to see if I can see her hear anything. And as I got closer to their house, I could hear music playing. And someone was singing karaoke. So I was thinking, they didn't invite me to their party, which is okay. Instead of going to knock on their door, I decided to go grab the Tupperware that she brought me food in, and I'll return it to see what's going on. So I ran back to my house, grabbed the Tupperware, went and knocked on their door, and I hear the music pause. The guy who opened it, I didn't recognize him. It must be her son or something. And I go, "Hi, is Tita here? I came to bring back the Tupperware." And he goes, "Oh no, she's in the Philippines. She went back to the Philippines last week for vacation. She's in the Philippines." And he said that she'll be back next week. So now I'm thinking, Tita's in the Philippines. And I know Filipinos, when they get back from trips, they always bring pasalubong, snacks, maybe some dilis. I don't know. I don't want to assume anything. But when Tita gets back, she might have some pasalubong for me.